Wait, what does that say on the top? How much did you pay? Is that $55? Oh,
55S.
I thought you paid $55. You probably paid less than $55 for them.
Oh yeah, I didn't pay anywhere near that much for these.
Oh, those are the ones you got like 20 something years ago. Why don't you bust one of those open and show us what they look like?
Okay, I'll do that. Let me pick one out and see if I've got a blade here that I can cut with.
You've seen it here. You're seeing it here first. This is a Dub C exclusive.
That's opened. Let's just go ahead and take one of these and see if I can get back behind the screen here. I'm looking for a blade.
My dad has a bunch of dimes that we found in a safe from my we're not sure if it's my grandmother or grandfather that used to collect them. But we started like putting each year and start doing tubes like that of each year. You know how hard it is to see the freaking year on those things?
I bet.
Hey, don't let me interrupt. I'm just standing by as a backup.
No, you're perfectly fine. I'll be out of here in just 2 shakes, man. I'll open up this roll.
We're not trying to rush you, Dub. Just
I've enjoyed Dub.
Let's see these dimes.
You can have 4 people up. Wouldn't be the first time.
How many years? About 25 years?
That I've had these pieces?
Yeah.
I don't think it's been quite that long. I would say probably 15 years. Maybe a few are a little bit older than that. This is 1955 P&D dimes, and it says BU. And that's some kind of a packing tape that's on these. Now, it's possible I'm going to open these up and these are going to be clad dimes. I honestly don't know. I have no idea. I got a lot of these in trade, and I mentioned that before. I had an 1883 year set, and I sold out of that, and I can go into that if anybody's interested. I just think it's kind of the best year. So that was me cutting the tape, at least trying to. And I don't think I got anywhere near what I needed to cut.
We're making Dub struggle. This isn't fair.
No, it's no big deal. I've got these pieces out. Why not? I just stashed these, and I hadn't even looked at them because I kind of know what they are. So why bother opening them when you've got I could be terribly mistaken.
It is a 55.
Oh wow!
And they are BU.
Look at the shine on them things. Woo!
These are stunners. I got to tell you. Look at that.
You'd be great in them things.
Hey, look, you didn't even know what you had.
I mean, that says 55 BUs. I took the guy at his word. That's what I assumed that they were. So yeah, that's a amazing roll. I almost used the F word there. You guys would have heard me swear.
Monday night.
Yeah, save that for backstage.
Those are nice dimes. Look at them things.
Those are stunners. The camera and the light are not doing this any wonders. I mean, they are amazing in hand. They are blinding.